Using vegetables you know and love, adding in herbs, some beans and noodles for some extra heartiness. Minestrone soup is one that is comforting and simple enough to make a large pot of it. So let me show you how I make this simple minestrone soup today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. This is one that we love to have on our meatless Monday dinner night. It's also a great recipe to use up any of those leftover vegetables you have hanging around. The variety of vegetables that you use are endless, but I've narrowed it down to what I think you will like as well. To make this soup, I've prepped my vegetables by finely dicing 1 medium onion, mincing about a tablespoon of garlic, using about 3 ribs of celery. I've diced them into small little pieces, 3 to 4 carrots that have been peeled and diced, 2 cups worth of diced zucchini, which was about 2 zucchinis worth. Simple enough prep for this soup, but now we're going to head over to the stove. And in a large soup pot over medium-high heat, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of salted butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now that the butter and oil are nice and hot, we're going to add in 1 medium chopped onion and a tablespoon of that minced garlic. Give that a stir and let that saute for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then add in the celery, carrots, and zucchini. Give that a few stirs, and we want to let that cook for about 8 to 10 minutes so those vegetables will soften up a bit. Our vegetables are a tad more soft, and now we're going to add in 1 28-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes and 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Then of course the beans, and I'm using a simple white cannellini bean and 1 can of kidney beans, but feel free to use your favorites. And I'm not going to drain these at all because I want that extra starch. Then we're going to add in 6 cups of vegetable broth, and of course you could use chicken broth if you want, whatever you prefer. Add in 1 tablespoon of oregano and 1 tablespoon of basil, then give that a stir. And bring that to a boil. Once it's reached a boil, you're going to add in 8 ounces of noodles. I'm using small shells. Also add in 1 cup of chopped spinach. Give everything a stir and reduce the heat to medium-low and let that simmer and cook the pasta for about 10 to 12 more minutes. The noodles do need to be added in at the end or they will overcook and be mushy, and no one wants that. Salt and pepper this to taste, and I say that because we all like things in our own way. Once your noodles are cooked perfectly, ladle some into a bowl and give it a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.